I have over 25 years of experience in travel technology companies. Most of it is in aviation. Started way back with Emirates as a software engineer, grew through various roles as the company grew, been part of that wonderful, successful story, very proud of it. Joined IBS way back in 2008 to head the cargo line of business. It was early days of iCargo and all the efforts that we put in at that time in aggressively selling it, creating a platform for its growth, which led to it becoming world leader that it is today. After leading cargo line of business, I moved on within IBS and ran its global delivery for a short while, year and a half. And then we moved on to the new structure of businesses where we run independent strategic business units. And since then, I've been running the services strategic business unit for IBS. The primary business of IBS really is about solving our customers' problems using technology. And when we look at a customer's problem or an opportunity, try and build a solution, sometimes we already have a product, an IP, which fits the solution, which solves the problem, and we say, here it is, please use it. Sometimes you have to take a part of it and build on top of it. At the time, we do both, use the part of the product or the IP and complete the solution by doing work around it. Third bit is really where our existing IP does not solve the problem at all. And there are many such cases. And in those situations, we end up building solutions for our customers. And that's where we typically end up calling it, say, oh, we're doing the services work for you. But really, it's not really so much about selling products or selling services. It's really about solving a customer's problems. One of the biggest advantages that our customers get in working with IBS, especially in the services space, is our domain expertise. As opposed to a very typical generic software services or IT services company who would do airline work as well as finance or insurance or healthcare or all of that. We are very focused on travel, transportation, and logistics. We do nothing else. It does not matter how lucrative an opportunity may look like. We stay within the niche area that we have focused on all these while. And that provides us that expertise, which actually is very beneficial to our customers. And in simplistic terms, it's really about our people who understand the domain very well, the work that we have done in the past, even the software that gets created or the IP that becomes available, actually creates an advantage for our customer because we are able to deliver software to them much faster. As I said, primarily because of our domain expertise, but also because of the technology frameworks or usage of some software and IP that's already owned by IBS, which can basically give them a schedule advantage or cost advantage or pretty much both. As an example, I'd tell about one of the hospitality customers for whom we are doing a very large development work currently. A big piece of software in there was already built by us as part of one of our products. And it just made so much sense to just reuse that. And customer was happy, didn't have an issue with regard to saying whose IP it is and stuff like that. So we use that particular component in their software. And as opposed to originally we were talking about delivering it in about 12 months' time, now we would deliver it in 6 months' time. The cost is substantially reduced for the customer. So it's a win-win. And basically, in terms of IP, IBS IP remains IBS IP and customer IP that gets created remains customer IP. So it is truly a win-win in which both parties actually take advantage of expertise as well as existing assets.